Alright, what's up guys, it's your boy Kodoso here and we're back in here for another special YouTube video. It's been a while. I did a screen record and the main reason I'm doing this is because I see a lot of people having little challenges on brokers and what have you. So this video basically is a short one, and I'm going to be explaining how to create a demo and a live account on Exness. So I did a video on my channel I think months back. I did a video on my channel. If you check all my older videos, you see I did a video on Exness on how to deposit and withdraw, and most of the comment I got, people were having issues with creating a demo account and also creating a live account, and also being able to use the details that they have been given on Exness to log into their MT4 or their MT5. So this video is basically about everything that has to do with that. So we are already on the Exness website, so I'm going to get straight to it. So we are on the Exness website, and you can see this is their landing page. So let me sign in. So if you don't have an account for the first time, you have to register, you understand. But I'm not doing this video, I'm not going to be talking about registration here, because if you're watching this video, you should have registered. In fact, you should already have an account with Exness, you understand. So I'll just log in to just explain the whole point of this video. So let's wait for it to load. It's for the network. So let me log in. Right, okay, just logging in. So we are already on your personal area. They call this place your personal area. When you log into your account, the dashboard you see is your personal area. So this is your personal area where everything about your profile is. If I click on the nav bar, you see the menu, you see there, you see the list of options you have. You have my account, you have deposits, you have withdrawal, you have transaction history, you have analytics, you have portfolio management, social trading, performance, etc., etc., etc. So straight to the point, if you want to create an account, let's say you have verified your account. If you have not verified, the moment you log into your account, you see this place they wrote account verification complete. It's going to be show that you have not verified, and when you click on that place, it's going to take you to a place where you're going to upload your NIN, your driver's license, or any valid ID card you have with your bank statement to verify. And it's not going to take more than a day for them to get you verified, you understand. So that's it. If you've verified your account and you want to learn how to create a demo or a live account, so this is how you do it. So when you scroll down, you see my account. The moment you log in, this is the first thing you see. That nav bar I showed you, the menu I showed you, was just to show you other options on your personal area. So when you log in, you're going to see my account. Under my account, you see real, you see demo, and you see archive. Archive is basically an account that has been there for a very long time, and due to the fact that you're not trading or you're not actively using the account was archived. The broker automatically puts it in archive because it's not active. So we have real, demo, and archive. So when if you want to create a real account, you go straight to real, and you press open new account. So let's press it, open new account. So what you see on the next page is MT5. You have option for MT5 or MT4. When you click on that button right there that you wrote MT5, you have option to choose MT5 or MT4. Anyone you're conversant with, you know how to trade with, and you can choose it. So for the purpose of the video, we are using MT5. So I click on MT5. Now they have different account type. They have standard, which the minimum deposit is $1. They have pro, which is the minimum deposit is $500, and they have raw spread $500. They have zero, which is $500. So all these different accounts have their different there are different advantages and disadvantages. Like this standard is the one you're supposed to choose. All these other ones, you understand, all these other ones have their different rules and regulations, you understand. Like the standard now is what you are going to work with. You don't need to worry yourself. So when you get here, forget about this other account size that you're supposed to click on standard. That's the account, that's the general type of standard general account traders use, you understand, except you're looking for something more than just the standard, you understand. And this the minimum deposit here is $1. So you click on standard. After you've seen the click on standard, you press continue. Now this is the next page. You see they say open a new account, standard MT4. You have the option to choose if it is demo. So this is where it gets interesting. So for those of you that want to learn how to create a demo account, you follow the same process I did from the beginning. And when you get to this point where they ask you account type, if it's a demo account you want, you choose a demo, you understand. If it is a real account you want, you just press real, you understand. Now once you press real, you're going to be seeing the leverage. I know by now you should understand what leverage is all about. So you pick the leverage that you're okay with. You pick the leverage you're okay with. You pick the leverage you're okay with, and then you can choose the currency you want to trade it. Is it dollar? Is it Uganda shillings? Is it GBP? Is it pounds or whatever? Any currency you want to like use that you be trading on, then that's the currency you choose there. Any currency that you want to use. So account name, nickname, you can use any name. You can remove this standard on the account name and put any of your nickname there. That name will appear the moment you finish creating this account and you use the login details to log it in the MT5 you're supposed to use. So you put in password. So you put in password there, and you say create account. So let's create account. So they say your account is being prepared. Immediately you see, once it's finished, it will show you the account that it has been created. So you'll be waiting for it. So boom, the account has been created. So this is the account right here that we just created. So to now you've created the account, if you want to deposit and withdraw, go back and watch my old video on how to deposit and withdraw with Exness, you understand. Now if you want to log in, if you have deposited, you have watched my old video and you have deposited and you have deposited before, but you want to learn how to log in, use the MT5 details and log into your MT5, because you need a broker to trade. For those of you that don't know, you understand, you first register under a broker, fund your money in a broker, and then the broker gives you access to your MT4. The broker gives you a login when you create an account. The broker gives you a login that you will use to trade the money you fund on their platform. So if it is MT5 that you have chosen to use to trade, they will give you MT5 logins that you use to log in, you understand, to be able to trade the money you funded on their platform. So let's click on trade to get the login details. So if you click on trade, you see Exness terminal, you see MT5. So let's click on MT5. So when you click on MT5, this is what will show you. You see the server, the login details. This is basically the login details. You see the server you're supposed to log in with. You see the empty login number, and then the password you use for your Exness account is the password you're going to use. So you copy them. When you copy them, you head over to your MetaTrader 5. I would have showed you that one, but I'll make a separate video for that later. Or you can join my Telegram group and make a statement, make a comment about it. I'm going to reply you on my Telegram group. You can join the Telegram group on the link on my bio below. I'll leave the link of my Telegram group on my bio, so you do where to join, so you can ask questions. So that's it for this video. So once you do this, you copy it. If it is MT5 you chose, you see MT5 here. When you click on open terminal, you see the login details. The moment you do that, you have the details. It's the same thing for the demo. Once you click on the demo, once you click on that place I show you account type, that I showed you account type before I got to this place, you click on demo instead of real, you're going to fill out those spaces, and when you're finish filling out those spaces that I filled on the live account on the real account you're going to get a detail like this. The same process that I did on this one, the same thing on the demo. Let me just go back again. So for the demo, to make things easy, if you're on this and you just open there, you can just click on demo, you understand, and you click on open new account, and you see it's the same thing on the live. The whole process is the same thing. You click on MT5 or MT4. If you click on MT4, let's use MT4 for instance, you now click on standard. That's standard, right? You click on continue. When you click on continue, you say demo. It's demo you want to trade. Now you have 1:2000 level. You can choose any leverage you want. Let's say I choose 1:100. Then you now put the starting balance that you want your demo account to be. If it is $100 you want to start the demo account with, you put it there. Then you put the nickname, then you put your Exness password, and then you create the account. It's as simple as that. The moment you're done, let me even do it here. Then you create your password. So you see the demo has been created. So the moment you do that, you click on trade, the same way you did on the live one. So you click on MT4, you see the login details. You take these login details, head over to your MT4, log into existing account, and then use these details to log in. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any issues, join my Telegram group. If you want to learn how to trade, you can join my Telegram group. I'm always available on there. You can reach out to me, you can chat, you can talk, you can share trade ideas. And if you also have an account you want me to manage, I also do account management. If you have an account you want me to manage, be it a Profem account or a live account you want us to work together, you can reach out to me on my Telegram channel. I'm leaving the link on the description below. Do well to click on it if you have any issues and you need clarification. You can reach out to me on my Telegram. Click on the link to join my Telegram channel, my Telegram group on the description below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Do well to like, share, subscribe. Help your boy. Your boy needs to grow. Help your boy. Your boy needs to grow. And I have an announcement. I'll be doing giveaway as the month goes by. Maybe buy Profem account for people on my subscribers, those of them that have been faithful since day one. I'll be giving out Profem challenges to a lot of them. I'll be giving Profem challenges to a lot of them as much as I can. You understand? As much as I can. So I know it's not everybody that is going to get it, but the ones that is going to get it, I hope they appreciate, and I hope it changes their life. So without further ado, guys, I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace out.